and welcome to part 3 of the Shiny Rod 3D printing project. So, as you can tell, I do have different background music today. I am using Stream Beats by Harris Heller. I love Harris Heller and Alpha Gaming, and I don't know why I haven't used their music for my videos yet, so I am slowly transitioning into using their music. I needed something different, so I might slowly start changing the way my intro looks and all of that as well. So just keep an eye out on that. But yes, welcome to part 3. In part 3, we're going to be finishing off the construction portion of the staff, just the gluing together, and you will see that there is a little mishap that happens towards the end. So I almost completely finished recording the entire print, but one of the pieces completely just ends up getting flung off because of the way it's laid on the bed. It was too thin, so we actually had to end up reprinting that separately, but I didn't want to make y'all watch the same thing over again, so I pretty much just showed you the end. So I hope y'all enjoy this little video. It is not super long this time. It was just the first one that was really long because of how big that piece was. This print, I would say, took about 9 hours, and that's with the other piece as well. So about 9 hours for this. So let's see, in total we have 15 hours plus 6.5 hours plus 9 hours. So this staff took quite a bit of time, but it was well worth it. I'll let y'all watch and then we'll show you how it came out in the end. So we are getting towards the end of it, and this is the piece that's about to fling off of the video. You will see it. It freaked me out because I was busy working on stuff and I just hear a fling and I'm like, oh my gosh, did a cat get on the printer? But it's okay. We reprinted it. It took another 4 hours though, so it was quite a bit of a long print. But hey, for the first big print, one mishap was not bad, and it wasn't the biggest piece. So here my boyfriend is super gluing the pieces together because super glue helps like kind of break everything down. But this is the final piece, just glued. We still need to sand it, add putty on it, sand it again, and then prime it and then paint it. I am so excited. This shiny rod is perfect. It's a little fragile on the tip, but it is totally okay. I'm so excited to paint this. It came out so good. Just look at it, and it's my dreams come true. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see y'all in the next video. I do have a couple more projects coming your way. Alright, until next time guys, bye!